So this is another stuff I own and all of my Spock figures. I actually have a fourth one on pre-order, which is the Spock from the Cage, which was the never broadcast pilot episode and the rejected pilot episode. And Spock was actually the only character to return. Majel Barrett, who plays Nurse Chapel, was in there, but she was in there as a different character. So Spock is the only character that was there from the beginning. So first we have, this is Quantum Mechanix Spock. And from the moment I got it, yeah, all of these have incredible sculpts. I wasn't in love with this one. I felt like the eyes were a bit too recessed, and you can see the shadowing on there. The face is, I would say, the most like textured, or it's, I don't know, there's something about it that looks a little bit off. Then we have, now these two right here would technically be from the same time period. This one is just from random original series, which spanned three seasons. This is from season 2, so they should be very similar. This is Spock from Mirror Mirror. That's why he's got the goatee. And you can see the face is a bit smoother. The eyes aren't as recessed, and I think that looks better. I mean, kind of the, I guess, cragginess or the detailing on the face looks a little more possibly impressive than the smoother face here, but I'm just not sure that this is necessarily accurate. Now, this one here, this is from about a decade later. So this is from the motion picture. So he would be a bit older there. But how does this one? Both of these two are from EXO-6. So the first one was Quantum Mechanix. These two are EXO-6. So which one looks better between the two of these? And maybe this is your favorite. It could be. I mean, they all definitely are unmistakably Leonard Nimoy as Spock. But it's which one looks the absolute best. If I was going to vote, even though he's got a goatee, I think I might go with this one. I think I might go with the middle one. And I think it has a lot to do with the eyes when I compare it to the Quantum Mechanix one. Even the nose is a bit different. So you can see the nose there. The nose is more pronounced in this one. But my feelings are my feelings, and other people might think something different. This one, he's a bit paler. I don't remember Spock being that pale. They would put a makeup on that would give him his face sort of an almost yellowish appearance. It's a little darker here. So they all have kind of different skin tones, and it's hard to say which is the most accurate because different lighting in studio could produce different skin tones or possibly different makeup. I don't think any of these capture the makeup that Spock used, particularly around the eyes where he had the kind of the bluish eyeshadow. Really dependent upon, I don't know, the makeup artist feeling that day, because sometimes they'd even put lip gloss on. So I'd be curious to what other people think. Which one of these is the best? And I might even be getting a fifth one, which has not been announced yet, but they are making a Spock from Star Trek II. So maybe I'm getting a little crazy with the number of Spocks I have. But curious to know what other people think about these three and if there is a favorite between them.